Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, April 5, 2023 on our channel. MHI Thermal Systems develops electric-driven transport refrigeration units. Frascold and Arneg drive evolution with the R290 chiller. Hull University teaching hospitals save energy and cut emissions with innovative heat pump system. Solucious delivery operations in Belgium benefit from Thermo Telematics connectivity. A-gas breaks ground on additional market-leading refrigerant separation technology. Daikin Europe kicks off construction of first Polish heat pump factory. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. MHI Thermal Systems develops electric-driven transport refrigeration units. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Thermal Systems, Limited, MHI Thermal Systems, a part of Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, MHI Group, has developed a new electric-driven transport refrigeration unit exclusively for electric vehicles, EVs, the TEJ 35am, which is equipped with a heat pump heating function. Sales of the new unit will be launched for use in production model EV trucks made by domestic automakers. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Frascold and Arneg drive evolution with the R290 chiller. Frascold and Arneg combine their technical skills and experience to create a propane chiller, designed to keep products fresh and for conditioning characterized by normal temperatures. A solution that arose from the desire to expand the use of natural gases by offering a valid and simple alternative to transcritical CO2 systems. Over the years, the commercial refrigeration sector has undergone considerable change, paying ever greater attention to reducing the environmental impact of sales points, in line with the latest technological and regulatory developments. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Hull University teaching hospitals save energy and cut emissions with innovative heat pump system. ICS Cool Energy multi-pipe chillers and heat pumps took over from the hospital's gas boilers, reducing heating systems' gas consumption by almost 69% in first 5 months of operations, and help Hull hospitals on their way to carbon neutrality. Commissioned in October 2022, the Hull Royal Infirmary's new heating system is based on an ICS Cool Energy multi-pipe Aptus chiller, and is set to take over from gas-fired boilers. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Solucious delivery operations in Belgium benefit from Thermo Telematics connectivity. Solucious, a Belgian food service business of the Colruyt Group, benefits from the real-time visibility, traceability and proactive management of their delivery operations thanks to Thermo connected solutions. The telematics offering from Thermo allows Solucious not only to obtain the real-time temperature and position data, but also critical information like set points, alarms or hours of operation from their trucks, vans and semi-trailers. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. A-gas breaks ground on additional market-leading refrigerant separation technology. A-gas broke ground on another set of separation towers at their Rome, Texas plant, strengthening their commitment to the circular economy. This expansion project is another example of A-gas' continued investment in cutting-edge technology, deepening their role as a sustainable industry player. These new separation towers will increase A-gas output by 100% over the next 18 months to supply the U.S. with high-quality reclaimed refrigerant gases, substantially increasing the number of such gases in the market. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Daikin Europe kicks off construction of first Polish heat pump factory. Daikin Europe NV kicked off the construction of its new factory for residential heat pump units in Łódź, its first production site in Poland. Market leader Daikin's €300 million investment will create 3,000 new jobs by 2030, and is the biggest foreign investment in Poland in recent years. Scheduled for completion in April 2024, the new factory will start operations in July 2024. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.